In this video, we're going to discuss how to work with the mmojo data marketplace. The data marketplace lets us append data products to our lists, including contacts, technology data, firmographics, activity indicators, financial information, and more. Let's begin with this list. We're going to append contacts and other data to it. We can go to the data marketplace by clicking on the history bar. Clicking on the data marketplace icon on our list, or by clicking on the list name to go to the View List page, and then clicking Append Data. Now we're on the Data Marketplace page. On the left-hand side of the page, we can see various data products that can be appended to our list. We can search the set of data products, or sort them by various attributes to find the data products we're interested in. The data products are tagged as either free or premium. All of the data products can be appended at no charge. Charges only apply when you want to export a list that contains premium data. Let's expand the page to see more information about the contacts data product. Here we see a list coverage rate. This tells us the percentage of rows in our list that we have contact data for. We also have descriptions, use cases, pricing, and column definitions. In the case of contacts, we can append all contacts to our list, or we can select function or management level subpackages. Let's select a couple of subpackages. To append this data product to our list, we click Add to Append, and our package is staged in our cart. Now let's also append the technology attributes data product to our list. That data product gives us information about IT budgets, staff, and installed technologies for each company. And finally, we will append some extended firmographics to our list. Okay, now we're ready to go, so we click Append All Selected Products. Let's pause here and we will come back in a minute to look at the results. Okay, mmojo has completed appending the marketplace data to our list. Looking at the list, we can see a column showing the number of contacts appended to each company, and we see the total number of contacts appended here. We will talk more about contacts in another video. We can scroll to see additional columns. Here we can see some of the technology data. And here the extended firmographic data. We can also click on the List Details tab to see information about the columns that have been appended to our list. Now let's go back to the Portfolio tab on the mmojo homepage and view information about the appended data. Here we see the number of contacts that have been appended, and here we can mouse over to see other appended data products. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll talk again soon.